welcome to iINTELLIGENCEi.
Dear friends, today let us see how to animate PowerPoint presentation. It's a very useful topic. Let us go to it. See, normally without animation, just see what will be the case. See, this is the PowerPoint presentation without animation. Okay. Now let us add animation to it. Okay. Let us add animation to this. Now, in order to add animation, just select, or you can just click on this. It's enough. Then go to animation. Click. See, there are four options. One, it is entrance, then emphasis, then exit, then at the top, right now. So in this, I'm clicking entrance, fly in. Okay. So animation has been set. Now next animation, iINTELLIGENCEi, that you need to set animation. Again go to animation, select another one. Okay, up here. Okay, second animation has been set. Now for this image, how to set animation? Select that particular image. If you don't select the image or any other option, this animation display will not come. So once you select, only then this will appear. Okay. So after selecting this particular image or text, go to zoom. Okay. Now let us check the animation. Just go to slideshow. Select from beginning. Right. Now animation has been activated. I click next, page next. So first animation is coming. Actually it's a default animation. We need to change it. Next this one. Next this. Right. Just wait. In order to change this default animation, go to animation, go to effect option. So in that I need to bring it from the, just to slide it from the top left. Okay. And this also, select effect animation. Effect animation. We'll change this. Learn tab. Expand. Rise up. Okay. We'll select this rise up. Okay. Now let us see this slideshow. Select from beginning. So now it is blank. Now let me click it. Right. Next. This one. Next. This one. Okay, it's nice. Okay, next remaining pages also let us animate. Okay, go to next page, select this page, go to animation, go to fly in, go to effect option, select from left. The animation has been set. Once this icon appears. As it is assumed that it has been set. Now go to the second, select it, go to animation, go to rise up. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. If you want to see this animation, let us go to slideshow, take it from current slide. Okay, now it is blank. Select it. Yes, nice. Now once you click next, it will come from the bottom. Okay, good. Next, next. No, it has not been set. Just select this. Select animation. Select fly in. Select the effect option from left. Select this. Go to animation. Select rise up. Okay. Similarly, let us set for others. Okay, this already set. Next, let us go to the next page, fourth page. Let us go to animation. Fly in. Go to this. Raise up. See, there are many options available, but you need to follow a professional setup. Right? Otherwise, it looks too odd. Next, let's go to the next page. Fly in is quite a professional option. When you see any other option as you wish. Just wait. One time. Okay. Now let us check the slideshow from beginning. Okay. Next. 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 Excellent. Right. This is a procedure how to use animation in PowerPoint presentation. Thank you. Thank you, friends. We continue to provide daily use technology. Please subscribe to our channel if you really like it. Thank you.